back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel at isjustatclick.com, and today we are going to talk about HP series EliteBook 2560 out here. A very interesting model out there by HP series. EliteBook series is basically again a corporate world design gadget. Definitely we know that corporate world gadgets are basically designed by HP series. Uh, if we have to say कि HP series ज़्यादातर अपने gadgets corporate world के according design करता है, it won't be wrong. Now let us talk about this version out here. But EliteBook series and especially the HP series mostly have embedded security of TPM 1.2 security chip system. Along with that, it has Microsoft Windows 7 Professional Kit Edition. Yes. So this variant out here has got a good Windows operating system. Along with that, a very good version gadget could be seen out here. And we can say that the gadget out here offers you great range of specification. Like we often see that these gadgets which are corporate world design, they are usually the ones with a mid design, that is the display out here, that is a mid design version. Along with it, you get to see a great range of technologies in it. Now talking about this variant, now let us talk about the EliteBook series 2560. This variant uses Intel V Pro technology. Yes, this variant out here uses Intel V Pro technology. Along with that, you will get to see that Intel Core processing system for second generation could be seen out here. Yes, you will find that Intel Core i5 second generation processor is seen out on this variant. You will get to see a lot of specifications, lot of things out here like Intel Core i5 is there. Along with that, chip system mobile Intel Express could be seen. Like chip system is also there, and that too Intel Mobile Express out there. That too QM67 out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that it offers you a max turbo speed of 3.2 gigahertz. Yes, a max turbo speed of 3.2 gigahertz is seen. Whereas the normal base clock speed or the clock speed or the base speed is 2.5 gigahertz. And you get to see these kind of specifications out there. Along with that, a dual core processor is seen out here in this variant with Intel Turbo Boost technology too. You will get to have Intel Turbo Boost technology too, dual core system out there. Talking about the storage, because every gadget has a display, a storage, and these are the major parts out there. Talking about the storage, let us talk about the cache memory. Talking about the cache, then it has got L3 cache type variant. Yes, the cache out here, the cache memory out here is L3 cache memory out here with the installed size of 3 MB. So you get to have installed size of 3 MB out here with L3 cache out there. So overall, it's a very good version in the cache memory. But if we are talking about the memory, then we cannot neglect out RAM and the hard drive storage. Talking about the RAM, then it has got 4 GB installed RAM with a base speed, that is the memory rated speed or the memory speed of 1333 megahertz. So you get to have a base speed also. What kind of RAM does it uses? Does it uses a different RAM? No. EliteBook series mainly uses DDR3 RAM type. So the technology used out here is DDR3 technology. But is 4 GB installed size RAM sufficient? No, it is not sufficient for the corporate world. So you get to have a maximum support size of 16 GB, offering you the same specification, that is 1333 megahertz speed DDR3 RAM type. So this is seen out in this variant. It has got 2 slotations, that's why 16 GB is possible out here. Along with that, if you talk about the hard drive storage, then it combines to be 320 GB. Yes, it is having a capacity of 320 GB out here. We get to see that spindle fiber speed or the spindle speed out here. Yes, the hard drive speed out here is 7200 RPM. Yes, you get to have 7200 RPM. With a type variant of HDD. Yes, you get to see HDD type variant out here. So this could be seen out on this variant. Spindle speed of 7200 RPM and a hard drive type of hard drive you can see that is of HDD type. You will get to see HDD type hard drive. These kind of things could be seen out on this variant. And talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers you a good range of specifications because a capacity of 32, yes, 320, that is the 320 GB out here is being offered. We know that HP series basically designed its gadget keeping in mind all the environmental parameters so that it can work perfectly or can provide you optimum results out there. And so does EliteBook, this series also does, offering you a good screen type of 31.8 centimeters. Yes, this provides you screen type of 31.8 centimeters with a screen of LED. Yes, LED display could be seen out there. Along with that, you get to see backlight technology inbuilt in it. Along with that, you get to have a display resolution of VXGA. This is not VGA, this is VXGA resolution by the display offered out. But monitor featuring की बात करें, if we talk about the monitor, what kind of monitor featuring does it offers in this kind of display? It offers you HD anti-glance. Yes, HD anti-glance can be seen out here. So overall display is really good. That is LED backlight, HD anti-glance display with VXGA resolution out there. But talking about resolution, talking about these all specifications and display, what is all about this related to? It is related to graphics processor. Talking about the graphics processor, we can say that it offers you Intel HD Graphics 3000. Yes, it is offering you Intel HD Graphics 3000 out here with a dynamic video memory technology. It comes along with dynamic video technology out there. So overall, the graphical part is also very good. Offering you integrated webcam with a capturing resolution of 1280 into 720. You get to have a good resolution with the camera out here because it's offering you 1280 into 720 resolution with stereotype speakers, microphones out here, connectivity with all kind of connections like Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot connectivity. You get to see USB connectivities 2, USB connectivity 3, audio input output jack connectivity. You get to see the connectivity to other parts like SD connectivity out here, power connectivity, as well as optical drive connectivity could be seen out on this variant. So you get to see optical drive connectivity also. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this version out here offers you a good range of specifications. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you a battery life of 6 cell lithium ion or lithium polymer battery, we can say. This is offering you 6 cell lithium polymer battery of capacity 62 volts. So 62 volt is the capacity offered out here. Now let us talk about the pricing because apart from these specifications, pricing is really important. Talking about the pricing, we are at just@click.com. Just at click.com offers you a great range of specifications. Yes, you get to have a great range of specification out here because the gadgets out here are not just a single gadget from a company. There are n number of gadgets. Along with that, you get to have pocketable rates. Apart from that, you also get to see that this site offers you customizability option. Yes, you get to have customizability option for your gadgets. If it is possible from the company's end, then you can customize your gadgets accordingly. So now let us search this gadget out here. Light book. Let us search. So this is the result out here. This is a light book series out there with bag free. Along with that, you get to see a refurbished word is written, that is refurbished condition out here. A small description is given out here. So now let us talk about those refurbished products. What are refurbished products all about? Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand and or certified refurbished products, we can say that these are actually the same the synonyms out there because refurbished product and brand new products are quite similar. What happens in a brand new product, they are directly released from the company, whereas in the refurbished product category you get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now what is pre-owned gadgets out there? Pre-owned gadgets are nothing else but the gadgets which have been once released in the market and the user is actually owning that gadget and is reselling it. That is what pre-ownization means. They have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, they have got the same testers, everything is same. Like whatever the brand new specifies any specification is the same specification or the featuring out in the refurbished or certified refurbished product. Now let us talk about these refurbished and certified refurbished or brand new pathway out there, like how this pre-ownization takes place. And when we talk about this pathway, then it includes a base, mediator, and a consumer. Now, what is a consumer out here? When we talk about the consumers, we can say that consumers and base are nothing else but a common factors which are company and the user. Talking about the base in brand new is always the company. It will always and always remain the constant out there. The constant thing about base is the company. In brand new gadgets, it will always be the company. It can be any company out here, Dell, HP, Ace, Lenovo, any Nokia, any kind of company, any kind of brand which is releasing its gadget, its model for the first time is known as a brand new gadget by the company. Now it is being sold to a marketplace. It is brought up in the marketplace out here. Now what happens is when it is brought up in the market, then it is named or conditioned as brand new gadget. Now the gadget is being sold to a new user. Yes, now the marketplace has got a user interface out there. The user buys this gadget from the marketplace and you get to have that gadget. Now what happens is when you have that gadget out there, you get to have a good specifications, everything. You like that gadget a lot. But after some time, we usually get bored of it, or we want to resell. We don't want to use that gadget, in short. What happens is when we want to resell that gadget, when we are bored or we want to sell it off, then it is brought back to another marketplace, which is the mediator out here. Now this gadget is known as a pre-owned gadget. Yes, now it is not a brand new gadget, it is a pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget, when brought in the marketplace, is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished product after testing and being approved by the site. Yes, if it is tested and verified, if it is not passed in all, or it does not pass all the parameters, or any it fails anyway, then it is not considered at all. It is not at all considered there. Now, when we talk about these parameters, then we can say that these parameters includes a lot of things, external and internal parameters, which we will discuss on. Now, it is brought in the market. Now, what happened? It is verified. It is brought up in the site. Now, a new user wants to have that gadget, and that is brought up from that site. That product is named as refurbished product. Yes, this product is named as refurbished product. Now, talking about the testing sites and all, brand new products, wherever it is being launched, it is tested and verified in different places. Yes, there are a lot of sites for testing, whereas for refurbished products, only and only that site, that particular site will be responsible for testing, approving that gadget, which a user has sold off its gadget to. Yes, user जिस भी gadget अपने gadget को जिस भी site पर sold off करता है, जहाँ पे भी आप उसको buy करने जा रहे हैं, वो साइट ही उसको टेस्ट करती है, उसको एनालाइज करती है, रिप्लेस करती है, मॉडिफाई करती है, वट एवर इज डन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट. So this is the major difference. Otherwise, you will find the same design, same functionality, same testing, everything is same. Now let us come to the testing parameters, because we know that testing is important. And talking about the testing parameters, let us talk about the what kind of testing parameters it has. It usually have two type of testing parameters, internal and external parameters. So what are internal parameters and external parameters? These are the major classification of parameters which can be analyzed on the basis of softwares or tools required or not. External parameters does not require any software because they can be seen directly through eyes, or we do not require any highly specified gadgets for that. Now, what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing else but the design out there, external design. keyboard, keys intact there, keys working, like whether the keys are working or not. Touchpad is there, the whether touchpad is providing all the touch controls, is it working on the gestures or not. Camera, whether it's clicking a good quality photo or not. Audio out there, jack systems, the connectors out there, USB, SD, audio input out, power jack, these buttons out there, these connectors. So externally, these things like the scratches on that gadget, if you have scratches or not, everything whichever can be seen directly through eyes are checked out there. So you get to have external parameters out there जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं अपनी eyes से, and you can verify out there. Because the first thing which comes or we check in every gadget is the look, the overall look, and things which we check are keys and everything out there. So these do not require any tool, any software, directly through eyes could be done. But it is not same in the case of internal parameters. Internal parameters require a lot of specified gadgets, specified tools, specified softwares or highly designed softwares, we can say. Because these are testing and verifying the internal components, the minute components out there, like the internal processor, core, or any kind of processor it is using. The graphics out there, the resolution, the type of display it is using. If the connectors are not working, then the signal are passing through it or not. Battery is swollen or not, or the battery is providing appropriate voltage or not. So everything has to be checked, like whatever the internal components like memory, the speed out there, everything has to be checked. So overall, all the internal components which are major parts of this has to be checked there. Now talking about these major parts and everything, what would happen if it would fail in any of the part? Because there are chances that some gadgets might not pass all the tests. What happens is if it can be replaced or it can be renewed out there, then the gadget or that particular part is being renewed or replaced with the original part. Yes, with the original part, it is being replaced, renewed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is absolutely newly like gadget now. Yes, the refurbished products are absolutely newly like, they are packed along with the accessories in a proper bag out there, in a proper container, we can say, or proper packaging is done out there. So just like the way company releases into the market, it is the same way out there. But what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new, or why we should choose refurbished products? Because refurbished products are really good in pricing. Yes, if you talk about the pricing, if you talk about pricing about these gadgets, then you will get to see that they offer you a good pricing out here, which is pocketable rates. When we talk about pricing, we know that brand new gadgets are actually expensive. They are expensive out there. Whereas you get to see that when brand new products are expensive, as well as everything is done, so you will see the refurbished products are not that expensive. They are quite pocketable. And since they are pocketable gadgets, so you can have a difference in the pricing. So there is a difference out in the pricing. So you get to have a savings out there. Yes, you can save a good amount of saving. Like if you talk about savings, then depending upon the gadget pricing and all, you can save up to 15, 40. Like, there is a huge number out there for savings. Talking about another factor is the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty, then we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty as well as exchange policy. But does it offer the same policy with refurbished? Because pre-owned gadgets we buy from any normal person, we don't get any warranty period. But when we talk about the refurbished products, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 7 exchange policy. Yes. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. That is an additional factor, additional point to this refurbished category. Now, overall, if we talk about then pocketable rates are there, you get to have a good savings, warranty period of 6 months, exchange policy of 7 days out there. So why not try refurbished products then? You can definitely try out these refurbished products. And the site we were discussing, that is just at click.com. Yes, we were at this site that is just at click.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets or favorite model out there. And when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that this site, this particular site that is just at click.com, offers you a great range of products under the category of refurbished laptops or the refurbished gadgets out there. Yes, you get to have a large collection of gadgets from top reputed brands. You get to have pocketable rates. You get to have a great savings. Along with that, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Since it's a refurbished website, we can say refurbished gadgets are out here. So you get to have 6 months warranty period also. So do check out just at click.com out here. Along with that, you also get to see it is offering you free home delivery. Along with that, it offers you money back guarantee and an online support system also. So you get to have an online support system, money back guarantee, free shipping. Now, talking about the shipping, then we can say that at this site you get to have a 48 hours delivery time for mostly UAE parts, whereas Saudi might take a little longer, that is a 1 week time. But if you are customizing your gadget, because this site offers you an option that is customizability option. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you customizability option. If you are customizing your gadget, then you might take a little longer. You can customize according to your needs if it is possible by the company itself. Yes, if the company has stated about the customizability, then you can customize your gadget. Now, this is for just at click.com. Description has the link, so do visit out the link in the description box, and you can check out the website for best pricing.